Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing the clutch on the Genesis Coupe 2.0. We're going to be putting an ACT clutch in here. Should say we got a fresh paint job. Yeah, the dual mass failed, that's why.
Tim's mom fucking fucked her right up. Alright, let's see what your flywheel looks like out
Let's
here.
get at it.
Goes in ice like a blizzard. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Look, it's cooked right down to the rivets. Oh! Look at the heat scores.
Well, those are different before. Remember, they're the old clutch we used.
They weren't this bad though.
Look at all the cracks.
Yeah. But it's right down to the rivets, right? That's why it was slipping. There's no more clutch material to even grab.
It's grabbing right at the rivets.
Yeah.
Look, shiny.
Yeah.
No more clutch left.
No.
This is like
Did you guys get this part?
Yes, sir.
No, but you can't machine dual mass.
I know, but we got to
Look at all the brake dust.
or clutch dust.
Clutch dust, yeah.
Don't breathe that shit.
Run while you can.
And it's not a good idea not to gun it off, but...
You want to take them off?
I'm good.
Oh. Oh, dropped them.
Sorry.
That should come off. Oh, whoa! Jesus, fuck, it's heavy, eh?
Yeah,
I got new ones.
There's a new flywheel. Look at that. So you have to brake clean that.
Yeah, it's gonna put brakes back.
Oh, what the fuck? Yo, he left. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright. Represent that, bro. You guys all going to the meet? Y'all going to the meet? Damn, bro, it's been a long time. You look so different. I don't know.
You just hooked out that wire mat. You better be ready for this, boys.
Alright. Oh, you got some nice fucking lights. Damn, I didn't even see your car, bro.
I hooked up that too.
What? Oh shit! A fucking finally, bro.
Is that a tablet? Like,
That's a deck. That's actual like double-din deck.
Oh,
And
no
then I'm
way.
gonna put the tablet up here.
Is that
after, so I'm gonna run dual shit.
Yeah,
I just put my water mat in, so.
damn, we gotta do that for our
I'm
Jetty
injecting
too.
some washer fluid into the intake manifold.
Why?
what does that do?
Don't worry.
More boost? Oh, there it is.
you go.
And that's two. Holy fuck, my arm's getting tired. And they're fucking thread lock on here.
I know.
This
I think you take the gun, you just go and then just fucking
Cause right, yo, roll this shit. Yeah.
Tap it.
Roll it. Let's see, yo. Is that a disappointment? Is it a? You're on the wrong side, bro.
I'll pitch it again.
Steady bandy, fuck, man.
Snap.
So, yo, what's wrong with that one right there? That clutch.
Fucked.
Like completely fucked.
Yeah, see all the heat scores?
Where?
All these. All those
Oh
wires.
shit.
Then these are all on the rivets. So it's like literally like metal on metal as a clutch is considered. See this one too? It's all heat score.
Yeah.
Right there.
Donuts.
Oh crap, it's broken.
Yeah, it's about to blow. That should be fucking.
Alright, go for it.
Mr. Nelly. No. It's fucked. That's all I gotta say. Make a good frisbee. That's about it.
If you don't want that. Yeah, man, just take it and just like fucking cross it, bro. Like, just go around it.
I wonder why they gave
Okay, look how much more meat there is, eh?
Huh?
Like the amount of material you have.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's brand new. That's what you're supposed to be like.
It's like a performance, I think it's performance one you got, right?
Yeah. Oh. This probably have like higher tension, the springs.
Yeah, that's when you fucking push touching.
Yeah, I think it only goes in one way. Transmission side. See? Yeah.
You want to take that plastic off?
Idiot proof transmission side. So that goes this away, yeah? Like this.
You gotta grease the spines first.
That goes like that. This isn't gonna work. I have to put that over that. Is it? Oh no, that'll go right over. It's okay?
Oh.
What's your head?
Ah! No.
Okay, let's decide with the dowels. The dowels are gonna have tinier holes.
Which are gonna be in those.
Yeah. Okay, watch my fingers, watch my fingers, watch my fingers.
Nope, over. Alright, there, everything's torch back. Now we put the fucking.
Yeah, did you get that transmission painted and is it dry?
Well, who gives a shit?
Watch the snowboard! Look at all the overspray!
Glad that was on camera.
My goal are on camera, so.
Transmission coming right in. It's not centered, but
Yeah, this one's lighter than yours.
Oh, again, we're not all the way up yet.
What do you mean? You're gonna have to squeeze it in for the dowels, right? That's what you're hitting, the dowels right now. No, he's back. He's back. He's been here this week, yeah.
Alright, I'll see you in a couple minutes.
Yeah!
And join us next time.
Next time, guys, we'll get it in and it'll be all good to go. Have a good day.
Alright.